Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Adobe Fonts into Premiere Pro text overlays, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Adobe Fonts into Premiere Pro for text overlays, start by ensuring you have an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. Open the Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. Sign in with your Adobe ID if you are not already logged in. Once inside the app, navigate to the Fonts section found on the left sidebar. Click on Browse Fonts to open the Adobe Fonts website. In the search bar, enter the name of the font you want, or browse through the categories to explore options. When you find a font you like, click on the font name to view its details. To activate the font, click on the toggle switch that says Activate Font. After activating the font, it will be available for use in all Creative Cloud applications, including Premiere Pro. Now, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Create or open a project where you'd like to add text overlays. Go to the Graphics panel, usually located on the right side of the workspace. In the Essential Graphics panel, click on New Layer, then select Text. Type your desired text in the text box that appears on the program monitor. Highlight your text to access the text editing options in the Edit tab of the Essential Graphics panel. In the Font drop-down menu, scroll down to find the font you activated from Adobe Fonts. Select the font, and it will change your text to the newly selected style. Adjust the font size, color, and other properties as needed to fit your design. Once satisfied with your text overlay, drag it to the desired position on your video timeline. Finally, play back your video to ensure the text overlays look exactly as you want them. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.